Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the Files application, and then when you're here you go to the SD card, scroll down, go to the SD card, tap on three dots here, go to the storage settings and select format. Then select format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.